3 tips, and the 4.5 tips is for body slimming. These 3 cartridges is for facelifting. And these 2 cartridges is for body slimming. You can see 8 and 13 tips. And these 2 cartridges is for vaginal tightening. You can see is 3 millimeter and 4.5. And now I will show you our interface of the machine, and now I will start the machine. And first you need to install the cartridges for the handpiece. You can see this is the 3 point. When you install the cartridges, you need to press this and install. It's okay. And now let's start the machine. And first you need connect the power line and press this button. You can see the interface. This is for facelifting and body slimming, and this is for vaginal tightening. And now we will start the facelifting. And you can see the handpiece can recognize the handpiece by itself. You can see this is the 3.0 tips, and this is 3 tips. And you can see the interface. This is the length of the point. This is the power of each point. This is the cartridge tips. This is the shots, total shots. And this is the line of the point. And this is the total line. And you can see the face. The different cartridges can treat different treatment area. You can see this is the 3.0 tips, so it can do this area. And I will show you the difference for the 4.5 tips. And now put out the cartridge. Press this and put out. Install. You can see the difference, the different area for the different cartridge. And now let's show the 1.5 cartridge for the face, for the treatment area. You can see this is the treatment area for the 1.5 tips. It can do the whole face. And now let's do the treatment on my arm. And first we need to add the cooling gel on the skin. You see, okay. And before you do the treatment, you need to press this button. Press ready. And you can see the handpiece is standby. And before you do the treatment, when you start the treatment, you need to press this button and this to start the treatment. And now let's do the treatment on my arm. And when you do the treatment, you need to ensure the handpiece is 100% touch the skin. You can see like this. And now let's start the treatment. Okay. And now I will show you our body slimming cartridges. First, put out the cartridge. You can see this is the body slimming interface. This is the tips of 8. You can see, and this is the 8 cartridge. 8 tips cartridge can do this treatment area. Now this is the length of the point. The interface is the same as the face. You can see, and this is the power. Now I will do the treatment for the body slimming. Press ready. Stand by the handpiece. Okay, first we need add the cooling gel on the legs. Because for everybody, the different people have different feelings. So when we start the treatment, we need adjust the power from low to high. So how do you feel it now?
Nothing.
Okay, so we need adjust the power higher. What about now?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, so I think it is suitable for patient now. Let's start the treatment. Okay, after you finish the treatment, you need to press stop and stop the treatment. Okay, after you finish the treatment, you need to clean the cooling gel on the cartridge like this. And it is better to use alcohol to clean it. Okay. And now let's introduce the vaginal tightening interface. Back.
This is vaginal tightening interface. At this, you can see that this treatment depth is 3.0. Yeah, you can also see in the cartridge. Yeah, you can see. Yes. Here. Yes, and this auto means that when you do the treatment, you can press auto and the cartridge will turn by itself. Yes, and this total line, that means when you do the treatment, when the cartridge turn this degree, it will have total length. Yes, and the degree. This means each turn it will turn 5 degrees, and we can yeah, see. Yes, we suggest that if your patient is a little older, the degree need to be lower, need to be small. Yeah, and the length, it means the length of the line. Yeah, you can adjust it. Yeah, the pitch, that means the distance of each pitch. Yes. The power, this means the power of each point. Yes, you can see this line. That means you can, when you adjust this parameter according to your patient's condition, you can save the parameter for your client. Yeah, step 1, that means, yeah, your first patient. Step 2, you can also adjust it. Your second patient. Yes, also step 3 is the same. Yes, now when you do the treatment, we need to first ready. You can see. Yeah, you can see the cartridge is turning, right? That means the cartridge is ready to work. Okay, when you do the treatment, we need to press start, and you can see, just as I see before, auto. That means when you press this one, the cartridge will turn by itself, and you don't need to press again. Just see, auto. Yeah, you can see. Yeah. Yeah, when you finish the treatment, the cartridge will turn the original place. Yes. I need to please notice that when you do the treatment, first we need to use the 4.5 millimeter to treat the vaginal, and then we use 3.0 this cartridge. Please notice that. Just now we use auto mode, and now we can use, if you do not end this is a hand mode. Yeah, okay, now let's test the hand mode. Yeah, also first ready, and then start. We need to finish Okay, now start. Yes, you can see this is hand mode. Yes, hand mode. You can see this, you can see. Yeah, you can see it has turned 7 degrees. Yeah, the second. Yeah, you have see the turn. Okay. You can see the pressure. This is to measure the effect of vaginal tightening. Yes, okay, we can test. You can see these two yeah. That means when you test the vaginal tightening, you can save the number. Okay, now I can show you. You can see that this is measurement. Yes, we need to first here. Yeah, just like this. And now, when you test the vaginal tightening, you need to first install this to the vaginal, and you press this balloon to test the vaginal tightening. Okay, you can see this. Yeah. Yeah, you can see the number has been stable. That means it is the number of vaginal tightening. Yes, and then you can see, yeah, the number has been saved. When you test the vaginal tightening, you need to, before the treatment, you need to test once, and after the treatment, also test once. and you can compare the two numbers, and you can see the effect of the treatment. Okay, we can turn back. Yeah. Okay. And then close